Hi there! I am so happy you are ready for the coding journey! But, before we start we need to install a Python programming language, and a Visual Studio Code editor. Let's get started! First, open your browser and type python.org/downloads. The official Python website will be opened. Then, click on the yellow button to start download. Click on the downloaded file once download is finished. The Python installation window should pop up. Click on Continue button to progress with installation, then click Agree button to accept license agreement. Then, click on Install button. It might also ask you to enter your password. The installation process will start. It might take up to a few minutes. Be patient. It's all done. Setup was successful. Now you can close this window and move the installation file to bin. Well done on the Python installation. Next we need to install Visual Studio Code. Open your browser and type code.visualstudio.com/download. The Visual Studio Code website will be opened. Next, click on the Mac installer icon. So, download process should start. Once download is finished, click on the file. The package will be extracted to your Downloads folder. From the Downloads folder click on Visual Studio Code icon, so the editor will be opened. Next, we will install additional extensions. Click on Extension button, it is the last button on the left side menu. Then, type word Python in the search box and press enter. From the list, select the first Python extension, and press blue Install button in the middle window. We are done with Visual Studio Code installation. Now, you are ready for the coding.